During the Ultimate project, any setup and provided datasets built on synthetic environments reproducing different use cases in order to simulate and evaluate human behavior when interacting with industrial robots. Together with our partners, we defined key gestures and dangerous situations, such as events where humans are too close or not focused enough, in different work situations such as assembling product parts contained in a basket with all the elements to be assembled. I played with real movements to insert into the simulation scene, providing scenarios with free cameras that allow the assembly of parts to be estimated, including human gestures and activities in relation to the position of the robot. The produced environment and synthetic datasets enable reproducibility in order to test the robustness of dangerous situation detection using hybrid AI algorithms.